Hello everyone, this is the English we speak. With me, Fei Fei.
And me, Rob. Hey, Feifei, do you need me to order you a pizza?
Why would I want you to order me a pizza when we're presenting a program?
Oh, go on. Just say pizza, and my new smartphone will instantly order one for you.
Ah, I see. I know you've got a new and very expensive smartphone, Rob, but I'm quite happy using my box standard dumb phone.
Bog standard? You mean it's basic, ordinary, and unexceptional?
I do, Rob. It's a strange expression and nobody really notes its origins.
Well, I think it's got something to do with the English slang for toilet, bog, which is where your old phone should be.
Thanks, Rob. Shall we hear some box standard examples now?
I've got a bog standard computer, but it's fine for just sending emails and surfing the internet. Sorry you got a low mark in your homework, but to be honest, it was bog standard. I found the new film bog standard. It lacked the action and special effects I was expecting.
This is the English we speak from BBC Learning English. And we're learning about the phrase box standard, which describes things that are basic, ordinary, and unexceptional.
Yes, like your basic mobile phone.
Oh, is that a message on your new, shiny, very expensive smartphone?
Yes, it is. It's my first bill for my new phone. Let's have a look. What? How much? Whoa!
Oh dear, Rob. It's not such a new, shiny phone now, is it?
Oh no. How are we going to order a pizza now?
On my box standard phone? Here, just press the numbers and you can actually talk to someone.
No, I'm not hungry now.
Bye.
Bye.